Let me get this right. You got black people sending money, raising money for the Ukraine, but you ain't did a damn thing for Ethiopia. You ain't did a damn thing for Sudan. You ain't did a damn thing for Somalia. You ain't did a damn thing for Haiti. When our Haitian brothers and sisters was at the Mexican border, some of y'all helped, but we didn't see most of y'all being up in arms, freaking Haitians at the border like you are for the Ukrainians. Look at you damn hypocrites. Look at you damn multicultural integrationists loving anything that ain't black. Look at you Negropean. Look at you damn Negropeans. If Harriet Tubman was here, she would have shot most of you. If Nat Turner was here, he would have put half you Negroes to sleep. You got all this energy for white people, but you ain't got the same energy for Africans who've been going through what the Ukrainians are going through for decades.